Illinois Emergency Management Agency. This station is participating in a required monthly test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
We have ignition.
The new Subaru. When Stan Ross got a record 3,000 hits, he was set for life.
Babe, I'm on a roll. Woo!
But 10 years later, 3 of the hits don't count.
That's bull, man.
Now, to get back his life,
What do you think, Rafa?
he's got to make the comeback of a lifetime.
You feel good? I feel great. You look great.
Bernie Mac, Mr. 3000.
I hope you weren't listening to all the trash we were talking about. You wouldn't even be where you are one for Rose.
Rated PG-13 in theaters September 17th.
Oh yeah, he's got a woman. And her. And them. Now you never quite know who it's going to be. But they're all over. Sean from IT, your dental hygienist, your best friend's mother. And when you see them, it will become instantly clear that they've all got a little captain in you.
Drink responsibly.
The all-new Kawasaki Brute Force 750. Biggest